Welcome to Daily Quiz Time YouTube channel.
In this video, we are going to guess 50 quiz questions about food.
10 points will be given for each correct answer. Comment below correct answer and get points. Let's go.
Surely it's pizza. Of course, ice cream cone. The correct answer is French fries. Yes, it's tempura. Certainly it's donut. Of course, potato chips. Surely it's taco. The correct answer is hot dog. Yes, it's brownie. Of course, fried chicken. Surely it's paella. The correct answer is cupcake. Yes, it's stir fry. Certainly it's pork rinds.
The correct option is spaghetti.
The correct answer is cheesecake. Surely it's croissant. Yes, it's sushi. Certainly it's apple pie. The correct The correct answer is onion rings. Of course, hamburger. Surely it's popsicle. Certainly it's pretzels. Yes, it's caramel. Of course, lasagna. The correct answer is Korean corn dog. Surely it's meringue. Certainly it's gulab jamun. Yes, it's bruschetta. The correct answer is Jell-O. Surely it's steak. Of course, spring roll. Yes, it's churros. Certainly it's bacon. The correct answer is risotto. Of course, sorbet. Surely it's grilled cheese sandwich. Certainly it's samosa. The correct answer is gelato. Yes, it's crepe. Surely it's ravioli. The correct answer is pavlova. Certainly it's falafel. Of course, bratwurst. Yes, it's baklava. Surely it's rice crackers. Of course, omelette. Certainly it's chocolate bar. The correct answer is cheese straws. Yes, it's goulash.
I hope you got many points. Subscribe now and get more points.